Okay, awesome job. So that's the quick overview. And now, clicking through the readiness checkpoint, I will go ahead and update that as I receive those. Same with your Wow Week tasks. Content tab, you can see your lessons. Grades tab is another important area to check. So here under your grades tab, not only will you see me update the grades, some are auto scored, so some quizzes, as soon as you take them, boom, they're uploaded here. Some of them are manually entered, like these two. I will enter them as I see students completing them. I'll also be able to provide you feedback. So a grades tab is a great way to check on what is missing. You'll see I'll put like a 0.1 if it's a missing quiz, if it's in other feedback. So you'll see what's missing. So this is the best way to keep track of where your grades coming from, and how to succeed in this course. So let me go back to content. So again, grades tab, content, class home, announcements page. All right, I'm going to stop viewing as a student and we'll kind of talk about a little bit of what you'll get to see this semester. So again, under content, next week, you'll get to see Unit 1. First, I'll click this overview to kind of talk about the whole semester very briefly. So this is semester 1 of a 2-semester course. We'll get to talk about all of these wonderful things this semester, and then we'll move on to these next semester. All right, let me know if you have any questions about those, but they're very exciting concepts, and I look forward to working on those with you. Next week, actually here you should still see course introduction and course materials. Feel free to explore that. It'll tell you how to answer some of these questions and examples that you'll see as you're working through your online portion, which is what I want to talk about next. So I want to make sure I have time to get to there. When it's open, you'll see this here. You won't see some of these teacher things where we don't have the inside discussions. We'll talk in class. You'll see these different portions. So on our announcements, it may say, hey, work on the get ready and learn. So you'll click into here, and again, you won't have this, but you'll have this. So you'll start here. It'll talk about the lesson introduction. It'll look a little bit different. And the reason I can't view it as student is because of the date. So it's opening next week. So you could just have time to get used to your online school, plan your week, plan your schedule. Yeah, it's a great job. You'll click through here and you'll have different activities for different lessons throughout this year. It's very important that you take the time to practice, watch these videos, and get some learning here, because we'll get to meet live, but we may not get to see each other every day. Maybe we will get to see each other every day. So be sure to do your practice here. Again, you can enter numbers here. I did already. Click check answers. Oh no, they're wrong. They'll give you a hint. You can try something different. Click check answers. Oh, okay, that part was right. Okay, that's not quite right. It's close. And then finally, if you keep checking and trying, it'll give you different answers down here, and you can work through these examples and then some more learning. Using these arrow keys will work. Make sure you don't miss anything. And then eventually you'll get to things like assessments, quizzes, or tests, which we'll talk about in class, and you'll also have that on your class announcements page. So be sure to check the announcements page. Be sure to get into content, work through these lessons, come to your live class connect sessions, reach out to your teacher, join optional help and fun sessions, and have a great school year. So look forward to seeing you. Final thought, please have a notebook. This year, I truly hope to promote note-taking skills, as it is so beneficial as you grow in math. Just following along, trying those problems on a real pencil paper type notebook. Absolutely, you're welcome to take screenshots, as some students have done in the past, but I'd also like for you to practice taking the notes, writing down the steps, and solving those problems when we're asked to, either in the course or in our live sessions. All right, again, look forward to this year. We've got some exciting math that we'll learn, and thanks for watching.